welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Earthtress. Thanks so much for being here. You guys are awesome. Anyways, hope you guys are having a great day so far, a blessed day so far, because I am. So in today's video, I'm going to do a hairstyle with rubber band and ponytail. Yeah, I'm not sure what the hairstyle called, but I'm going to do something with rubber band and ponytail. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this section is where I'm going to do the rubber band style, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm doing this in my hair. Few seconds before I started the video, I had no idea, absolutely no idea what pattern I wanted to be at the front, you know, so I just mat it out in my head and hopefully it goes well. So you guys have to just watch keenly to what I'm doing. So yeah. So there you have it. I parted it into 5 sections, and now I'm going to take this edge control from Creme of Nature, and I'm going to sleek each section down with the edge control. So yeah. So now that everything is laid, I'm going to place some edge control on each ends, and then I'm going to connect them together. Nice cute pattern. I'm so in love. Anyway, so what I'm doing right now is sectioning out where I want my ponytail to be at. So this section right here, I'm going to catch it up and I'm going to let it guide me when I'm sleeking down my hair. So to catch up my hair, I'm going to use the Gorilla Snot Gel and the Creme of Nature Perfect Edges Extra Hold. And the extra hole, I'm going to place that at the root of my hair. To be honest, I have to use both because they give me a perfect hole, guys. A perfect, you know, I have frizzy hair, so it's kind of hard to find something that can hold my hair in place. With these two combination, I mean, they're perfect for me. So what I'm doing right now, I'm going section by section and I'm going to place it at each section until my hair is sleek and all in one. So yeah. So for the braided ponytail, I'm going to use Expression Braid in the color 2. Okay guys, so this is where I changed course. I mean, I wanted a ponytail, but I went and hot watered the braid and I didn't like how it looked. I mean, it just never looked good, so I just have to change and put it up in a bun. Like, You know, I'm a bit disappointed, but you know, it's okay. Cut the bun kind of cute. So yeah. So I'm using some hairpins to secure the bun. Okay, so now I'm going to take this cute ooh, I forgot what it's called. If you guys know, you guys can leave it in the comment section below. But I'm going to say hair accessory. So I'm going to accessorize my hair with these beautiful hair accessory. Wait, guys, I mean, this hairstyle is so amazing. I'm so in love right now. I'm just queening. I feel like a goddess. I feel like a queen. I mean, I wanted a ponytail, but me have to stick off a bun, and you know, it don't come out too bad. I like it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Leave your thoughts. And also, if you're here and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like up the video, share the video. Until then, walk good, take care, big up on yourself. Bye.